Okay, Hannah Banana. Come on. Good job. Come on. Hannah Banana. Who's that kitty? Who is that kitty? Come on, Elvis. Good job. Get it, Elvis. Here, I'll set it up. No obstacle. Woo! Nice ambush, Hannah. Get it, Elvis. Good job. I'm doing a little bit of morning exercise. Whoop. We already had a little bit of breakfast, but we're waiting for our raw food to defrost a little bit. Yay, Hannah! Good job, girl! Yay, Hannah! Woo! She's amazing. Come on. Come on, Elvis. They timeshare the toys. They timeshare spots in the house. It's interesting how kitties work out their territory. Kitties in a colony or a clouder, a clutter. We have a clutter of cats. They kind of timeshare their spots around the house. It's pretty cool. And they're very good about taking turns with the play. They take turns with the birdie toy. And the high fives. They're very good about the high fives. Hannah, do you want to do high fives? Or is she totally into the birdie right now? Actually, probably not a good time. Yeah, girl. Okay. I'll let you get it a little bit. Uh-oh. Stuck. Okay, buddy. Sudden noise. Come on, Elvis. Get it. You get it? Good girl. Huh? Better it's a fake bird than a real bird, huh, Hannah? We don't want to go outside and eat real birds. The real birds need a home too, huh? Yeah. Good girl. Good girl. Yay! Oh, good job, Hannah.